Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and look what I have. This is long overdue. It's the Twisted Hobbies slash RC Factory Crack Turbo Beaver, and it's a flat foamy but with a twist. You can see the fuselage is in an X shape, and this is not a new plane. I think it's been around at least 10 years, but it looks very promising. Stall capable, 3D capable, and I've been pushed to get this, the final nudge, by T-Motor, who were kind enough to send me this motor. You see here, let me turn it around, and the ESC. And I actually saw on the RC Factory, who makes and sells these in Europe, they also offer T-Motor products on their website, so it should be working great. Yeah, it's been about half a year since I got these, so sorry T-Motor, but it's been a while until I found the plane in stock. Then it took me a while to assemble it. There's a lot of gluing that needs to happen to get one of these together. And this is actually my third time trying to maiden it. The first time I just rolled it off the road into those weeds, and this rubber O-ring snapped off. I didn't have a spare with me, and I think I forgot it now as well, so hopefully it will hold. And the second time it was just too windy, so I gave up. I didn't want to risk it. Hopefully we'll have a decent maiden now. I won't do anything too crazy, and hopefully it flies and lives to fly again. Let's get it in the air. Okay, lots of travel on these surfaces. I'm in mid rates, and gyro mode. I'm using a Lemon RX receiver. Let's see. Ooh, it did not want to take off. But it looks like the prop is in one piece. Yeah. Oh, actually it moved a little. Okay, I'm thinking maybe it was the gyro trying to keep it level. So, no longer in safe mode, let's call it. But I got a lot more deflection like this, so I put it in low rates. Okay, let's try again. Nice and easy. Okay, and up it goes. Whoa. Wow. Okay. It's a 3D plane for sure. Okay, let's try that. Ooh. Okay, yeah. The gyro did not like that. It's trying to get it down, so I'll need to check on those settings. But okay, it's a pretty decent flyer. Huge surfaces. You might need a bit of trim. Ooh, right in the sun. Like I have sunglasses on. Wow. Man, I mean, this is slow. Okay, let me try and get it higher. It just wants to climb. I might need to get a Spectrum receiver in this. just so I can go crazy with it and have the safe to bail me out. Wow. Or figure out this Lemon RX receiver. I have a couple of them, but I haven't used them much. Okay, well, I'm flying. Let's try and see if I can do some rolls. Ooh, that's really slow. But I'm in low rates, so okay, let's bump it up to mid rates. Yeah, it's not as extreme as the MSXC I have, but okay. That was mid rates. Let's try high rates. Wow. I'm sorry, but I'm impressed. Okay, back to mid rates. It's just floating. Unbelievable. And this is on 2S. It's also 3S capable. I might try that. Although power is not the issue. Oh, got a car coming. Stay away from the road. It's rocking those wings. I don't know if it's... okay, now it's completely no gyro. I'm not sure if it was the gyro or just me. Ooh. Okay, come on, come on. Low rates. That's funny, it just wants to climb. Whoa. Running out of skill here. And I'm mostly hovering it. Hope I can land it. Ooh. Back in gyro mode. Okay, I'll just set it down there. I've been flying for 4 minutes. It's a bit nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. Safe would have made me feel a lot better, but yeah, something's clearly off with that gyro. I might have not set the correct position for it, the level position. So I'll look into that at home. Ooh, man, this thing is like a porcupine. Thing's sticking out all over. Okay, it's out. It's in one piece, no damage. Whew. That was quite a maiden flight. A bit sketchy, but the plane's in one piece. I'm happy. So yeah, I'll need to either check the settings on this receiver on the gyro, or keep flying it like this, or replace it. I don't know. But it's definitely a fun plane. It's not an extreme 3D plane, or at least not how I have it set up. You can see surfaces, ailerons are pretty large, and they have a lot of deflection and high rates. Also that tail, ooh, I love planes with a lot of rudder action. Whew, yeah. If you have any tips and tricks, let me know. I really like this plane. I like the concept, and I hope I'll have many more great flights with it. Don't forget, drop some comments, like the video if you enjoyed it. I know it was pretty crappy flying, but it can only get better, right? And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye!